Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about delay. I didn't posted any video for last 2 days. Okay, so let's plan for coming week. You can see here I said this was a breakout level, went upside, retested with a good red candle, but again started moving upward. So this was my good support, this was first resistance, this was the next resistance I said last time in my last video. So it is hovering around this level. For next week the breakout level will be this one, 320. Ideally I would call it a breakout only above this line, which is pointing towards 235 to 40. So if it trades above that, then we are going to see the levels of 320 as well. I mean to say above 235 to 40. If it trades, then first target would be 283, second target would be 321, and we might see a fresh breakout above 321 if it happens on Monday or Tuesday maybe. See what I see here. People are going long. Now it is forming some indecisive candles, so a consolidation here for some time, and then a fresh breakout might happen, just like here it happened. If you see here, same kind of pattern, consolidated for a while, went down, went up, and then boom boom boom. So it might happen again. It has happened a lot of time. You can see here it broke this line and then made a new high. Here it made a new high, here it made a new high. So maybe a new high towards 500, 600 is possible. We just need to grab the good opportunities using price action. Okay, let's check Bank Nifty. Traders, Bank Nifty is looking weaker since March as well. You can see here, if we compare Nifty and Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty would have been trading around these levels, 27, 26,000 if we compare with Nifty, but it is hovering around 2100 and 21,000 and 23,000. So a fresh breakout will happen. Let me show you. Here a fresh breakout will happen only if it will cross 21,900. You can see it has got rejected couple of times. Now it is showing some power to go up. So above this level, 21,800, immediate target 21,900. If it sustains above this, then boom 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 towards 22,300, 200, or maybe up to this level 500 as well is possible. If it goes above 21,900, then we might see these targets coming for us, this target, and if it sustains above this, then we are going towards our fresh high. Only matter it should not break this one, 21,000. So I would suspect if it opens on Monday above 21,900 and if it sustains, then we might see fresh upside. So keep that in mind, traders. I will keep it drawn. If you see here, 2 times rejected, now third time it is showing some strength. So ideally if it breaks this one, first target would be this one, 260. If it breaks that as well, then we are going toward these levels, 600. Okay, only matter it should trade above 21,500. If it doesn't breaks, then we are going to make these highs. Let's check some of the stocks. which are trending for today at least. Bajaj Finance. So it is at a breakout level, you can see here. A huge red candle, it was rejected from 3500 15. Now it is trading around 3500, I mean precisely 3470. So if it sustains above this, then we are going to make immediate target would be this one. Like this. If it trades above this, then we are going towards 3600. Okay, let's check few more stocks, and these stocks will pull Nifty towards new high, so that's why we should keep it in mind. Asian Paints, see here, I have been giving its example in my last few sessions, and it works like anything. See here, it is at a breakout level. If it trades above 1800, then we are going towards 1870 and then 1900 as well. In our lab we identified it around 60 here, saying that it might give a breakout, and then it did give a breakout, but you know, we can't catch every trade every day, so we missed it. Maruti, you can see it has given a fresh breakout. Some days back I said go long above 5960, if anyone remembers, and stock had made a great high by now. So Maruti is at resistance at the moment. I would say this area will act as a good resistance. If it trades above this, then we are going towards 7000 as well, so keep that in mind, traders. Let's check this RSI, it's around 70, it's highly bullish. So a quick momentum or a quick retracement like this, either a quick momentum on the upside or a quick retracement for few days maybe, and then it might show some more upside. Let's check some more stocks. HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank, you can see here it is trading around these levels, and I said on last video it is not going to break 1000, and you can see here it is running well from there. So if it trades above 1050, simply 1050, then we are going towards 1075 or maybe few more upside towards 1100 in the. चलिए एक और स्टॉक देख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे देखोगे रिलायंस एक अच्छा मूवमेंट देने को रेडी है. इफ इट ट्रेड्स above 2160, then immediate target would be 80 and 2200 as well. Only matter is it should not trade below 2130. So that's it for this week, friends. I hope you like my views. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel, and please do write feedback in comment box as well, like how the analysis went for the day and for the week. I have been doing it for some time, so I expect that you also send some feedback so that we will get closer to each other. It should not be like I am sharing and then you are just viewing and then you are not trading. So if it is fruitful for you, then do write comment and your feedback as well. Thanks for watching.